Semiconductor Supremacy, How China is Outsmarting the USA. Semiconductors are chips that power smart devices and new technologies. They are needed in data centers, defense, electronics, smartphones, aerospace, etc. Artificial intelligence, AI, and semiconductors. The application of AI across industries is increasing the demand for semiconductors. Artificial intelligence models require huge processing power in data centers. Data centers consume a lot of energy. Advanced semiconductors have high data processing power and are energy efficient. The more compact a semiconductor is, the more advanced. Advanced semiconductors are faster and more energy efficient. The 2-nanometer chips are the most advanced semiconductors we have now. They have the fastest data transmission speed to meet the demand of data centers and AI models. Taiwan is the leader in producing the most advanced chips. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company produces most of the advanced semiconductors in the world. ASML in the Netherlands is the only company in the world that can produce the machines needed to make the most advanced semiconductors. Its extreme ultraviolet, EUV, lithography machines are what chipmakers need to produce semiconductors. The strategic importance of semiconductors has sparked intense rivalry between the US and China. Any country that can control the semiconductor supply chain will win the AI race. US leads in advanced semiconductor research and design. China is the largest consumer and has the largest reserve of rare earth minerals for semiconductors. In order to win the race, the US has formed alliances to ensure China does not have access to the machines and technology required to produce the most advanced semiconductors, e.g. the Fab 4 Alliance and the Pax Silica. What is China's response? Since it cannot obtain the advanced extreme ultraviolet lithography machines needed for more advanced chips, it has devised the means of bypassing the machines. It can now produce the more advanced 5-nanometer chips using the alternative procedures. The logic folding technology by Huawei is the way China has been producing more advanced chips without the extreme ultraviolet lithography machines. The chips are folded and stacked vertically to increase data transmission speed. Those chips can then offer performance and efficiency similar to that of the most advanced chips. By 2031, China will be able to produce the most advanced chips that offer performance equivalent to 1.4-nanometer process. The chips will be the most advanced chips, in terms of performance, helping China to win the semiconductor race.